Well, the United States is already deep into developing its successor, a revolutionary aircraft that will define air superiority for decades to come. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what a fighter jet can be. So, what makes the main fighter jet so special? Next up is speed and range. The NGAD fighter is expected to fly faster and farther than any of its predecessors. Think of it as a car that can instantly transform from a drag racer into a fuel-sipping hybrid. New sensors, new weapons, and new AI algorithms can be integrated seamlessly, keeping it ahead of the curve for its entire service life. Artificial intelligence will act as a co-pilot, filtering information, suggesting tactics, and handling routine tasks, freeing up the human pilot to focus on the mission's most critical aspects. Imagine sending a wave of these CCAs ahead of the main formation to scout for threats, jam enemy radar, or launch initial strikes. Different CCAs could be specialized for different roles, some for air-to-air combat, others for electronic attack, and some for ground strikes. The total program cost will run into the hundreds of billions of dollars over the coming decades. But the rapid prototyping and digital engineering methods being used are accelerating the process. The Navy's timeline is likely to be a few years behind the Air Force. The development of the NGAD is more than just a military procurement program. It's a signal. It tells the world that the United States is committed to maintaining its technological edge in air power. It represents a fundamental shift in combat philosophy, moving from a focus on individual platforms to a focus on a networked, integrated team. The era of the lone wolf fighter pilot may be coming to an end, replaced by the era of the sky-fearing pack leader, commanding a squadron of loyal robotic wingmen. The future of aerial warfare is being built today, in secret labs and on remote test ranges, and it promises to be unlike anything we've ever seen before. This incredible system of systems will ensure that US air power remains second to none for generations to come. The journey from concept to combat-ready squadron is long and challenging, but the progress so far is astonishing. The next time you look up at the sky, remember that the revolution is already underway. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into the future of air combat fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most advanced technology. Let us know in the comments what you think about the NGAD program. We'll see you in the next video.